Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man with the talk as he be, don't expose another corruption for Nigeria. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, they show us the place where they for first discover oil well for Nigeria. The place na Bayelsa State. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa.
My name is Apostle Alfred Ojo Uyinosa. The only man where they talk as they be, they do as they be, they show as they be. I did for Bayelsa, the home of our former president, Ebele Goodluck Jonathan. I respect her. My brother, where be this? What be the name of this sandboard?
Olebri
Oil Well 1. The first oil well for Nigeria.
West Africa.
In West Africa, my people, the oil well that made Nigeria to become what it is today. My people, what could I say?
Shift close to him.
The place abandoned. Come close, cameraman. Come close. This is the first oil well that launched Nigeria into the world map.
The very hole here where they dig it.
This is it. But look, imagine. But look at the community. Poverty smelling. My people, let's go. Make una see something. Make una come see something. It's so appalling. Wanna see? This is the monument. My brother. The landmark project of the Nigeria first oil well, 1956. My brother, this is a shame. This is a big shame. Look what I see.
Everywhere is bush.
Everywhere is bush.
The people are living in bondage.
Who have done this to Africa? Who have done this to us? Now who we offend? Now who we offend? My people, wanna look. Mona Siamo. The first oil well in Nigeria drilled in June 1956. My people, this is a shame. Yet, look at the community.
Everywhere bush.
My people, who have done this to us?
Inside bush.
Who have done this to us?
No good roads.
This is the first oil well.
1 million potholes to be
My people, this is the first oil well that launched Nigeria to the world map. But today, look at it.
My people, I deal with Reverend Apostle. I deal with her. Report us when we pass to take reach here. Not be smart, you know. If it's a lie, at least we still there here to second the truth. Make una see him, see him. See the grass, see him.
The first oil well, my people, wanna look.
See grasses everywhere. Or computer building that day. You don't even better building, no.
This is the monumental project over the years. This is the monumental project over the years.
Pastor
that they have been given contract to build an institute of oil.
I'm tired.
To build oil institute here. Nothing is done. The people are in bondage. And there are over 200 oil wells dug in this same place.
And this is the first
This
one.
is the first one.
That
Around
launched.
this area, over 200 other oil wells
Yet
was
nothing.
dug. Tons and tons of oil was found here. Thousands of tons of oil.
Well, my people.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa and you don't see with your two eyes the place where they for first discover oil well for Nigeria. Let us know what you think. For comment section, if you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.